What's up YouTube? Today I am going to be unboxing this new iPhone 5s in space gray. Welcome back guys. So now I am going to be unboxing this new iPhone 5s in space gray. I had to open it in the store to activate it, but I have not taken a look at it since then. So let's just open it. First let's take a look at the box. It says iPhone 5s, an Apple logo matching the color of the phone, that is space gray, and then we have iPhone 5s, another Apple logo, and on the back we have some information, and we have the the memory, so which is I got the 16GB variant. So now let's take a look at the phone itself. Let's just take off this part, and it reveals the iPhone 5s in space gray. So that's the phone itself. Let's pick it up gently and we'll take a look at that in just a moment. We'll keep it aside. Let's pick up this part, and that's the tray right there, nothing over there. Let's keep it aside. Here it is, designed by Apple in California, all the paperwork. Let's see what we get. So inside we have a SIM removal tool. Going in, we have this instruction leaflet from Apple telling us about the lightning connector and buttons and all, showing us the new home button with touch ID sensor. Then we have some product information and some more information and the famous Apple stickers. So let's keep that aside. Now in the box we have the charger, the wall adapter for the charger. So it has some plastic on it, but I don't need that right now, so I'll keep it aside. Then we have the new earpods in the plastic case. So these are the new earpods that showed up last year with the iPhone 5 and the iPod Touch 5th generation. So these are shipping with this, and it also has this hard plastic shell case. So we'll keep it aside. And last thing in the box is the new and small lightning cable. So as you can see, it is really small, and it is the USB to lightning cable, and we are all familiar with that. So let me just keep all this inside the box really quickly, and we'll keep it aside, and let's take a look at the new iPhone 5s. So here it is, the iPhone 5s. So as you can see, this is the device itself. Now we are going to take off this plastic. Let me just focus, and we are going to take off the plastic from this. So first let's take a look at it. We have the SIM tray over here, then we have two antennas, and on this side we have the headphone jack with the two speakers and the lightning cable port. We have the two volume rockers with the mute switch, and on top we have the power lock and unlock button. In the front we have the 4-inch retina display with the touch ID sensor and the home button, and we also have this really nice mirrored chamfered edge which showed up with the iPhone 5 as well, and the iPod Touch 5th generation, as well as the iPad mini. So on the back we have this new and improved 8 megapixel iSight camera with the True Tone dual LED flash, the two glass trim pieces for Wi-Fi and things like Bluetooth to work through the metal body, and we have this new and improved space gray color, which I'm going to be comparing with the slate color. So let's just take out this plastic, and just like that. So the plastic is off, and this looks as beautiful as it will ever be. So that is the new space gray color. Looks very nice. And on the back and sides also it has the same finish, the space gray. And on the front we'll just take off this plastic and it's off. So as you can see, there is the new device and we have the touch ID sensor right over here, and it does feel quite a bit different. It is more flat and it has this metal ring all around it. As you can see, there is a metal ring all around the home button. That is for you for the phone to know if you're using it for the fingerprint sensor or not. And there's the great 4-inch retina display, and that was my iPod touch just ringing. So yeah, that's the iPhone 5s. Let's just compare it with the slate color. So I have my iPod touch right over here. So here it is, and you can see that there is a big difference in that. So there is a huge difference in the color. This is a very dark color and this is a very light color. This is actually closer to the iPhone 5s in silver and white, while this is the normal slate color. So I think they did that because there were some cases in which this got scratched really easily and it showed the raw aluminum, but this one should be more durable. So let's keep that iPod aside, and we can also compare the thinness of the device, and it is a bit thicker than the iPod touch, but it is really thin, and I don't think it weighs lighter than the iPhone 5, but yeah, maybe just a little bit. So let's turn it on and look at it at the first time. So it's turning on. Let's gently keep it down. Just pick up the plastic pieces and keep it aside till the time the phone boots up. And voila, it has booted up. So let's take a look at it. It has iOS 7 already on it, and okay, we'll choose English. No, I do not live in the United States. I live in India. So English. Choose a Wi-Fi network. Okay. Let it just detect my Wi-Fi network. And it has detected. Let me just put in my password. And I will join my network. It may take a few minutes to activate the phone. Okay, so it says SIM required to activate the phone. So I'll just put in a SIM and I'll be back. Welcome back, guys. So I just put in a new SIM card and now it is asking me if I want to enable location services. So I will enable and set up as new iPhone. I'll skip this step right now. Yes, I'll skip it. And terms and conditions, I agree. Yes, I agree. Touch ID. So I will just set up Touch ID right now. So what I have to do is place my finger just like that. Place it, pick it up, place it, pick it up, place it, just like that. Move finger. Move your finger slightly between the scans. So it says I have to move my finger a bit so that it takes all the parts of my finger. And now adjust your grip. So maybe like that, just like that, like that, like that. Accept, like that, like that. Maybe like that. Come on, Touch ID. Continue. And create password. So I'll just create 1111. And yes, use code 1111 and don't send diagnostics, and welcome to iPhone. Get started. So that is iOS 7 all loaded up on the new iPhone 5s. So may charge for SMS. I will do that later on. First, let's take a look at the device. So that is iOS 7 running up on the new iPhone 5s. So let's take a look at iOS 7. So that is the new home screen. Whether I would like to, I'll do all that later on. I don't really know why the camera is not focusing on this. So I may take it in front. So that is iOS 7. The control center and all, everything loaded up, all crisp and smooth with the Apple A7 chip, and everything is just as smooth as it will be. Go into settings and it is really smooth. Just swipe from there just like that, and the new home button, wow, that feels nice. Let's try out the new home button with Touch ID. So we'll switch it on, place my thumb, and voila. So that was really nice. The Touch ID sensor really works, and I'm hoping that it will work for quite a few times. If I have any problems, I'll make a video on it so that I can show you what I think are the problems with this. I'm going to have a demo of the camera as well as the slow motion feature really smooth soon. And so yeah, that is it for the unboxing, guys. So that was my unboxing of the new iPhone 5s. Yeah, that's the iPhone 5s. So that was my unboxing of the new iPhone 5s in space gray, 16 gigabyte. And yeah, I'll be coming up with a review shortly after I use this for some time, and I'll be showing, as I told you, the camera and also the Touch ID fingerprint. I'll make a separate video on that. So yeah, guys, that was it for the unboxing, and thanks for watching, and do not forget to hit the like button below.